So how to track your EVRi parcel? So to track your parcel with EVRi, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need the tracking number for the parcel. Now, if you are the recipient to the parcel, depending on where you ordered from, you should be able to locate your tracking number in some form of receipt that was emailed over. But if you are unable to find it, then I'd advise getting in contact with whoever you ordered the parcel of, as they should be able to provide you with your unique tracking code. But once you have got the tracking code, you'll want to head over to the EVRi website and come to this tracking page here where you can go ahead and track your parcel. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. But your EVRi tracking number, when you've got it, it should be a 16-digit number. So you just want to go ahead and enter it in the search box. Then once you've entered your 16-digit code, select on track. And then once you've done that, you should get the current status of your parcel. So as you can see for our example here, it says it's ready for collection. So we are now free to go ahead and pick up that parcel. So you'll be able to track the status of your parcel on this page here. So it may also say things like out for delivery, etc. But of course, if you require any further assistance, you can always get in touch with EVRi customer support and they can obviously assist you from there. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.